If your seats look like this, then this is what you should do. Now you could try to patch this and whatnot, but it will never look good. And the best thing to do is just replace it. You should replace them with new seat covers. And today I'm going to teach you how to do just that. To get the job done, these are the tools that we need. Now to make your job easier, I have a power tool, a twisty bit, and an extension. Step one, let's move back to the seat. Remove this plastic bit. And we need to take this off. Now, let's break it loose. So we have an E20 here, E20 there. We have the 7mm here. We have the E14 here and on the other side. And we have the E20 here that holds the seatbelt in. Now let's move the seat forward so we can access the bolts in the back. Now we need to move this bolt. Now grab E21. Now pull up on this. Now we can pull the seatbelt right out of that bolt. Pop this sucker open. Now we need to move this and this. This should pull right out. There you go. Just like that, pretty easy. I did it with the one hand. Don't lose it. And this pulls out pretty easily. Let's get this guy back. You gotta get that 7mm right there. Now we need to pop this plastic off, which should be fairly easy. It's just a few clips, pull it out. Let's tilt the seat backwards. Just press down. It was that freaking easy. Grab the lever, close up the seat. We're gonna start with removing this nasty seat. You see this? So gross. It just happens over time, even if you take care of it. It's peeling up here and here. Anyways, to start off, you would want to remove this piece, but on both my chairs, it was already removed. So it basically just bends up like this, and you just want to bend it back down. This is the hook on the metal that keeps the fabric down. All we need to do is push that out. So just like that. Same thing. I forgot we should go ahead and remove this. Trusty flatty. Now this piece comes off just by pulling up. And now we have a loose flap. Now peel this up. And now we're going to have these tabs. All you have to do, press in, and it comes undone. Just like that. So you want to pull up and bam. I mean, it's so easy. I'm literally doing it with one hand. I got two in the middle here. So out with the old and in with the much nicer and new. Every kit that I've seen does not have these holes, so we're gonna have to cut them a little bit later, and I'll show you how I do that without making too big of a hole. To do this, so I wedge this clip in, then I do this clip, then I do this one, then I do this one, then I finally do this middle piece right down the middle, and keep going down just like that. I turn the seat cover inside out so we can have easier access to these right here. Bam! Is that easy? Let's do this side. And it's clipped in. Now take this flap and push it down the seam. You see this? We need to pull it through as much as you can. Okay, now fold this over this ledge here. So this was behind this right here, so I put it over it so we can get more leverage to pull this through. So it'll look something like that. Let's do this side. As you can see, it's already almost on that ledge, so this side's a lot easier. Now we have this piece. See how this clips in? It basically bends over itself and then goes over that piece of metal. You just clip it on. You hear all those clicks? That means you're doing a good job. So this will look better as, you know, a few days as you sit in it. As you can tell, I've already had this on for 1 day and it's looking so much better. It just has to be worn in a little bit. It's Chris. Always appreciate, respect another. See you next time.